Hi there. Today we're going to learn how to fix a broken zipper or a zipper that's sticking with just a candle, a paraffin candle, and also with a hairdryer. So sometimes zippers get sticky, meaning they don't open and close very well. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this candle to lubricate the zipper. So we're going to take it and we're going to rub it like this on the zipper, and then as you can see there, the wax gets into the zipper teeth, and this is a good thing. We're just going to keep rubbing it and rubbing it some more. This takes a while. We're going to rub right up the zipper like that. And you can see this part has wax on it, and this part here really doesn't, right? So I have a lot of rubbing to do. It doesn't have to be a red candle, it can be any type of candle, but it has to be a paraffin wax candle. So you just keep rubbing it like that, rub some more, keep on rubbing it like that. And you can see it's getting more and more coated with wax. So that's good. Now I'm not quite done, but I'm making some progress. The idea is to get lots of wax into these little zipper teeth. So you can see I'm just rubbing it like that. Keep on rubbing. Get that wax in there. Like that. So what you're doing here is you've waxed both sides of the zipper. So there's lots of wax on this zipper. We're going to melt this wax, and this wax is going to almost disappear, but it's going to coat these little teeth, and that's going to lubricate the zipper. So what I'm going to do now is I've waxed both sides of the zipper, the left and the right hand side, like this, all the way from top to bottom of the item of clothing. And this is the one on the right hand side, same thing on this side. I've waxed it from the top to the bottom. And you can see the candle got a little bit chewed up by the teeth of the zipper, but that's okay. And now we're going to take the hairdryer and we're going to melt the wax, and the wax is going to coat, it's going to seemingly disappear, and it's going to coat the teeth of the zipper, and then this will lubricate the zipper. After this, we're going to try out the zipper a couple of times while we're wearing the item of clothing, and it will lubricate the zipper. And then we'll see if it worked. So here's a hairdryer. So I put it on high heat, and then it starts to melt. You can see it just disappears. And that's good. That's exactly what I want. See, the whole thing is disappearing. But the wax is now coating the teeth of the zipper. And I'll do that all the way up and down the item of clothing. All the way up and down both the left and right side of the zipper. Just watch your hands, it's kind of hot. what I do is I hold, to avoid burning myself, I hold my fingers here and I put the hairdryer right behind them so that the hot air isn't blowing on my fingers. And that works a lot better. Just be careful. Use appropriate caution. You can see the wax is melting. I have the hairdryer on high heat and the wax just sort of melts and disappears. You see I'm going up the zipper. The wax is disappearing. But it's coating the teeth of the zipper and that's what I want. So what I do now is I zip up the zipper and then I go up and down a couple of times like this, and what it does is it creates friction and it sort of wears the zipper and the wax into a perfect shape. The teeth are now lubricated and now the zipper works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Bye.